I don't know if it's going to be an epic fail. I have a feeling that I will just stop at the end of the video and say I am no more doing. Hi guys, this is Niela. Welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be trying to wear contact lens for the first time in my life. I've always loved or wanted to wear contact lens, but I just feel like it's too much stress and I don't know, I just don't want to blind myself. So guys, I'm going to be trying this for the first time. I don't know if it's going to be an epic fail. I have a feeling that I will just stop at the end of the video and say I am no more doing. So brothers and sisters, girls and boys, men and women, I am calling out to you in case I blind myself in the process. I will hold all of you responsible. I'm going to be using the Fresh Look contact lens. I got the shade in brown, so I decided to choose the lesser devil instead of having to buy purple, blue, red, gray, you know. So I got the shade in brown, and this is the solution it came with. It's the Fresh Look color blends care whatever all-in-one solution. I got this from the Trendy Beauty store on Instagram. I'm going to drop it. Made to believe that this is where the contact lens is supposed to be seated. This is R, which means right eye. This is L, which means left eye. And this is what the solution looks like. I haven't used it before, so this is my first time of opening it. So I'm just going to keep this aside. I'm going to also drop this aside. Then I'm going to be opening this contact, the case where the lens is. This is how it looks like. So apparently it doesn't come with any tweezer of some sort, and it doesn't come with, I don't know, anything. I'm going to have to take this off. I don't know how I'm going to take this off, but I'm going to try to wear this for the first time today. So according to what I heard from other people, you are to change your solution each time you want to wear your contact lens. So I don't know if, I'm guessing this is a solution inside this brown. So help me God. My hands are clean, but to be extra sure, I'm going to be using baby wipes to clean my hands. I'm guessing I may have to tear it open, I think. Okay, there's actually a way to open it. That's cool. Currently, I'm going to be using my hands to do everything. Oh my God. So this is the contact lens. I already picked one, so I'm going to be dropping it inside the case for the left. Then I'm going to quickly add a solution. I don't know. So you don't end up pouring it away. So I'm just going to dip my hands into it, and I have the lens on my finger. I'm just guessing this is the right thing. So I'm going to drop this away and get ready. It's not staying. I don't know why it's not staying. Oh my god, I had to do this off camera. Like, I'm seriously tearing. I don't feel comfortable for some strange reasons. I'm really tearing. Like, please, how do you guys wear this? I can literally feel like there's something in my eyes. Is this how it feels? Okay, so let's try the second one. I can literally feel like there's something in my eyes. Okay, so maybe because this is my first please, disclaimer, I am not going to wear contact lens again because it feels like I'm not seeing well, but there's just too much tears flowing down my eye. Like, okay, so guys, I don't know if this is an epic fail, but I really cannot see well. Please, maybe I didn't wear it right. Okay, so imagine I wore this before my makeup. Like, I'm still crying. So guys, I love the color, no doubt, but I don't feel comfortable. Maybe because this is the first time I am wearing a contact lens, and this eye feels good, but there's something wrong with this eye. Maybe I didn't wear it well, so I may just go off camera to wear this other eye well. See, I'm still tearing in this eye. I'm about to tear in this eye, so I'm just going to take this off. I hope I can be able to take it off. Yeah, and I'm just going to put it back in the solution case. So I think there's something wrong because I really cannot feel, I don't feel, as in I feel a bit okay on this eye, but this eye I don't feel okay. So I'm going to try to wear this again. Okay, so I think this is way much better. I'm still tearing, maybe because this is my first time, or maybe this is how everybody who wears contact lens tears up whenever they wear their contact lens. Yay! I can wear my contact lens now, so you're going to be seeing lots and lots of contact lens on my channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Do have a fabulous day ahead. Bye guys.